Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tomato chutney.
We can serve this chutney along with any dish. It tastes best when served along with dosa, idli, vada or rice. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 8 to 10 garlic cloves. Add 1 tablespoon Urud Dal, 1 tablespoon Bengal Dal. Cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. The dal should slightly change its color. The dal has changed its color slightly. Now add 1 chopped onion. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Then add 3 chopped tomato and mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now we can add the masalas. Add 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. After cooling, transfer it into a grinder. Add half cup of water and grind it into a paste form. Keep it for later use. Now in a pan, take 2 teaspoon oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds. While it starts splutter, add 1 teaspoon Urud Dal. Then add 8 to 10 curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder. Mix it well, cook for 1 minute. Now add the grinded paste. Add half cup of water. Mix it well. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. Cook on high flame until the excess water content has gone. Our tasty tomato chutney recipe is ready. It's an easy recipe. We can serve this along with dosa, vada, rice or anything else.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.